Let me ask you this, are you investing in 2025? Well, here's the truth. Most beginners end up losing money not because the market is bad, but because of the mistakes they make. In today's video, I'll walk you through the top 5 investing mistakes beginners are making in 2025, exactly how you can avoid them. If you fix these, you'll already be ahead of 90% of new investors. Mistake number 1. Chasing hot stocks without research. Number 1. Chasing hot stocks. Every year there's high pay, IEVs, crypto, you name it. And beginners rush in because they see headlines and TikToks promising quick riches. But hype doesn't equal profits. A strong business model, consistent revenue, and sustainable growth, that's what matters. Before you buy any stock, ask, does this company actually make money? Or is it just a trend? Research first, invest later. Mistake number 2. Timing the market instead of time in the market. Mistake number 2. Trying to time the market. Beginners wait for the perfect dip, then panic buy at the wrong moment and often lose twice. The truth. Even professional traders can't time the market consistently. What works instead is time in the market. Set up automatic investments dollar cost averaging where you invest a fixed amount regularly. Over time, that smooths out the highs and lows. Mistake number 3. No diversification. Number 3. Many beginners throw everything into one stock, one sector, or even one crypto coin. If it fails, the portfolio collapses. Diversification is like insurance. It protects you from the unknown. A balanced portfolio could be something like US equities, some international exposure, and bonds. Start with a strong core-like broad ETF, then add small positions in riskier bets if you want. Mistake number 4. Investing without an emergency fund. Mistake 4. Investing without an emergency fund. Imagine losing your job and needing cash while the market is down. If all your money is tied up in stocks, you're forced to sell at a loss. That's why an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account or money market fund is non-negotiable before you invest. Mistake number 5. Falling for get-rich-quick traps. And number 5. Falling for get-rich-quick promises. If someone demises you saying guaranteed 5% daily returns, it's a scam. Period. Real investing takes time, patience, and discipline. Verify brokers through FINRA in the US, FCA in the UK, or CIRO in Canada. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Quick bonus tips for you. Ignoring taxes and fees. Quick bonus mistake: ignoring taxes and fees. High fund fees and ignoring tax advantages can eat up a huge chunk of your returns. Use tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA in the US, an ISA in the UK, or a TFSA in Canada. And always favor low-cost index funds or ETFs over expensive, actively managed ones. Let's recap. Avoid chasing hype. Stop trying to time the market. Diversify your portfolio. Build an emergency fund first and never fall. Bonus: be smart about fees and taxes. Fix these mistakes, and your investing journey in 2025 will be way more successful. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. Which mistake have you made before and how are you fixing it this year? _